Hello and welcome to Indian Asks Aussie Answers. I'm Krish.
And I'm Felicity. Today we're delving into the cultural and religious significance of festivals in Australia and India. So, Krish, many Indian festivals have deep cultural stories. How do these shape the celebrations?
Indian festivals are steeped in religious and cultural lore. For instance, Holi, the festival of colors, celebrates the triumph of good over evil based on Hindu mythology. It's time for forgiveness, renewal, and embracing the joy, isn't it? What about the cultural and religious roots in Australian holidays?
Much like the Indian festivals, we too celebrate a few events throughout the year that have long standing traditions and religious connections. However, even those who are not religious still celebrate these events, and it for many is more about coming together with friends and family and the connections we have. Easter, for instance, originating from Christian beliefs, commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ, but in Australia it's observed with various traditions like church services, Easter egg hunts symbolising new life, and family gatherings. Despite its religious origins, it's become a cultural event.
That's a fascinating parallel. In India, festivals like Diwali, though religious in origin, are celebrated by a broad spectrum of people. They transcend into religious lines and become inclusive cultural events too.
It's similar in Australia with Christmas. While it celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ, it's become a time of general festivity and goodwill, embraced by people of various backgrounds. The cultural impact of these festivals is significant in both countries.
Indeed, over time, these festivals have evolved, blending traditional rituals with contemporary practices, aren't they? Even in India, for example, these modern elements have been incorporated into the celebrations without losing the essence of the original traditions.
The same can be said for Australian holidays. For instance, Anzac Day, originally a commemoration of military personnel, has become a broader day of national reflection. It shows how these occasions adapt and remain relevant over time.
The adaptability ensures that festival continue to resonate with people regardless of their religion beliefs. It's about celebrating our shared humanity and cultural heritage.
Exactly, Krish. Whether it's Easter or Holi, these festivals, with their cultural and religious roots, play a pivotal role in shaping our societies and bringing people together. It is imperative that we show respect to each other's traditions and festivals. For the majority, these festivals are deeply rooted and significant in our lives as they have been a pillar around which we have grown up.
That's right, Felicity. Respecting each other and the traditions that we have grown up with is important. My suggestion to you is to get involved and learn about how these different festivals are celebrated and their significance. Often around these events, there are many community events that are run. For example, carols in the park during the Christmas time, Easter egg hunts, and many more, I guess. So my suggestion again is just get out there and see what's there that your community is offering and get involved. And when in doubt, how do you conduct yourself? Just ask, isn't it? Like both Australians are and Indians are open to educating each other on the festivals that we celebrate.
That is right, Krish. Get out there and get involved. And remember, if you have any questions about festivals or anything that we've covered so far, even if we have not covered it yet, please feel free to comment below or send us an email at
Indian Asks Aussie Answers @gmail.com. మరొకసారి దాన్ని తెలుగులో ఎంఫసైజ్ చేయడానికి మీరు తమ్ నెయిల్ చూస్తుంటే కనుక నేను ఫెలిసిటీ గణేష్ విగ్రహాన్ని పట్టుకొని ఉన్నాము. సో వీ సెలబ్రేట్ గణేష్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఇన్ అవర్ హౌస్. వినాయక చవితి తప్పకుండా ఎవ్రీ సింగిల్ ఇయర్ జరుపుకుంటాము. అండ్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ ది అప్రిసియేషన్ అండ్ రెస్పెక్టింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్స్ కల్చర్. We have a Christmas tree in the house. The kids come in, Christmas tree కింద గిఫ్ట్స్ పెడతారు. అండ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద గణేష్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఫెలిసిటీ కూడా చాలా మంచి వంటలు చేస్తుంది, కుడుములు చేస్తుంది, ఉండ్రాళ్ళు చేస్తుంది. సో ఇట్స్ అగైన్ రెస్పెక్టింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్స్ కల్చర్. Once again, I hope this video will help you blend in Australian festivals and the Indian festivals coming together. Thank you and see you in the next episode.